Hola. So we're now here in Singapore and we're going to give you a quick room tour. But before that, we're going to show you some clips of what we did earlier. Let's go! After checking into the hotel, we ate char siu and Beijing duck noodles at Victoria Food Court located on Geylang Road. This hawker center is just 4 minutes away from our hotel, which made the access easier for us. And by the way, we booked Hotel 81 Premier Star in Geylang. Hotel 81 is the largest, most well-established budget hotel in Singapore with 28 branches island-wide. So without further ado, let's proceed with the room tour. So here's the room. Maliit siya and very straightforward kasi kailangan lang naman talaga namin ng matutulugan. And pinagkasya lang namin dito yung mga maleta at mga gamit. Yan, papakita ng ating videographer. And this is the bed. And next to the bed is a desk. Here's the desk. Meron tayong electric kettle to heat some water. Cups for coffee, kahit di naman kami nagko-coffee. And also, we have charging stations here. So we have electric ports where we can charge phones and cameras. And branding phone if tatawag ka sa front desk to request some stuff. And may sink din dito sa labas where you can brush your teeth or wash your face with a big mirror. And lastly is the bathroom. So let's open it. Yan. It's very tiny but it's tidy and clean. Shampoo is available. And nagdala lang kami ng own soap. Merong towels that we can use. And of course, the toilet. On our first day, we decided to go to Marina Bay with our friends. And in Singapore, no car, no problem. Riding a public transportation here is very hassle-free because there are bus and train stations wherever you go. To check what train and or bus you're going to take, Google is your best friend. It will show you the bus number or the train line you need to ride so you can arrive at your chosen destination. For payment, you can buy an EasyLink card that they sell for $10, but you still need to top that up with cash. If you have a credit card, it will be more convenient for you to use that instead. Boogs! Super close-up naman yan, B! Puro mukha ko na naman to eh. Since we have friends who stayed in the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, we were able to see the view from their hotel rooms. And all I can say is that it's majestically picture perfect. After checking out the rooms, we decided to walk and have dinner at Makansutra Gluttons Bay. Kitang-kitang pagod na ako. Makansutra Gluttons Bay has numerous Asian food stalls that serves a wide variety of food and drink at a very reasonable price. They are also well known for serving undisputed Singapore favorites since 2005. Thanks to our family in Singapore for bringing us here and treating us for dinner. To wrap up the day after our luscious dinner, we went to see the beautiful lights of Marina Bay Sands and of course the ever-famous Merlion. Hi everyone! So today is our second day here in Singapore and I'm currently getting ready because we're going to Sentosa today. And we've had breakfast earlier, so I'm going to show you some clips of that as well.
今天我们两个 all day breakfast，
两个什么套餐来着？水是什么？
一个是 Milo， 然后呢
Milo 烧的是吗
just the normal
hot Milo hot ice
ice， 两个
套餐啊？还有冰块。
Sana all nagcha-Chinese. For breakfast, we had kaya toast with soft-boiled egg paired with iced Milo. And here I'm just doing my makeup. One tip for you guys is to wear your sunscreen or sunblock since Singapore is a very humid country. Say hi. So, nandito na kami sa Sentosa. Nag-bus lang kami and train and now we're here. So, mag-iikot-ikot lang kami. See you! Tuwa-tuwa yung isa dyan, no?
Babawi. Babawi tayo. Babawi tayo fighting.